Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I will be making my pork chops in the air fryer for the first time. This is new to me too. Yes, you can do it. So what you want to do first is pat dry your pork chops. I did that yesterday, well, last night, and I seasoned them last night. Your seasoning is your preference, but I'll tell you what I put in mine. So I put sofrito, garlic, adobo, and brown sugar. It's what I seasoned my pork chops with, and then let it sit in the fridge overnight. I am making white rice and a side of beans, some some corn on the cob, and then maybe the sweet plantains. Yeah, so I will show you everything as I go. I'm gonna preheat my air fryer on 400 degrees for 20 minutes and then flip them in between. So let me preheat right now. Okay, so I have it on. Now I'm gonna put it on air fryer, 400 for 20. Preheat is on, turn is on. So now I press start and let that preheat. My rice is already done and beautiful. This is going to be my beans. I'm going to finish seasoning it. So far I only have sofrito in it, so I'm going to put in some garlic, black pepper, maybe some cumin in there, and I'll throw in a bay leaf or parsley if I have. Okay, so it's done preheating, so I will add in maybe 2 pork chops at a time to make sure they cook. I like the pork chops with the bone in because the bone helps seal the juices. I used to get the pork chops without the bone, but then I realized it was really hard, like not hard, but like tough and dry, you know. So let me put this in my air fryer. Okay. Beautiful. So I have my corn in a chill bath or ice bath. I got some little ice there. Well, I had ice in there. And then my beans, I added some bay leaf and oregano and black pepper, sofrito, garlic. I think that's about it. So I'm gonna let this start cooking on a low heat so it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pot, you know. The beeping was to tell me to turn this over. So now I will be turning over, now I'll be flipping over my pork chops. Let's see. Okay, see, it's still pink there. And still raw there. Looks good though. Okay, here they are, done. Beautifully crispy. I'm really shocked on how good they came out in the air fryer. I don't even have to do it on the stove with oil. Like, what? Get out of here. Alright, so I'm gonna do the rest and then make my corn. Yep, and eat dinner. Be careful because it's hot. Perfect. Perfect. I put this one for 25 minutes instead of 20 because I forgot to tell you guys that I added an extra 5 minutes because I like it a little crispy. If you don't like it crispy, then 20 is perfect for you. So I added butter and corn. Now I'm going to put it on the stove and have it on a simmer and let it start cooking my corn. Potatoes are, I keep saying potatoes, I'm so sorry. My corn don't even look like potatoes. Now that my corns are done boiling, I will drain it, put it back in the pot, and smear them with butter. I'll show you, 1 second. So I pick it up with the tongs, see it's really hot. And then I take my stick of butter, brand new, by the way, and rub or smear, whatever word you want to use, and put it all over my corn, okay? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Nice and buttery. Who doesn't like a nice buttery corn? You want to get all the sides, okay? Nice and buttery, and then I add it back into my hot pot.
Purchase your tracks today.
Purchase your tracks today.
What I do with the butter now is I cut off the part that I used to smear on the corn so I could reuse my butter stick. I put that in the pot.